let's get ready to play Snake. This is my favorite little charm. It's a little network symbol. And then we have a clock, maybe? Something quite nice. And a little flag. I like the flag, that's good. And let's go back around this way. Okay, here we are. And we can pick up these charms all day, except that it gets more challenging the longer we go on, as the tail gets longer and the movement gets faster. Almost imperceptibly, but by the time your score is like 20, it gets pretty challenging. And I think my limit is maybe 24, something in that area. And the theoretical max, you can't score more than 255. I don't think anyone's going to get that far, because, like I say, once you're in double digits, it starts to get a little tricky, actually. But in theory, you might nearly fill the whole place with tail. The tail can get as long as it needs to. There's some limit, but it's ridiculously high. It's more than a byte's size. And now you see it's getting fast. Where's the thing? Oh, it's way around in the corner. Whoa! Oh no! Ah, boom! I turned the wrong way. There we are. That's the Snake game for the HP Protocol Analyzer 4952A.